What's one of the top reasons why we overspend? We're too busy and we're stressed out. Welcome to Living the Savvy Life, where you can learn how to define the life you want to live and create a plan to fund it. It's all about purposeful spending.
One of my favorite tools for dealing with busyness is something called value stream mapping. This is a technical term that's used in manufacturing that really is very simple and very applicable to our own lives. The idea behind value stream mapping is simply to look at the flow of people, tools, and material as you're doing a process, and to make that as efficient as possible so that you're not doubling back and forth and having to fumble to find the right material or the tools. It's also very common in the cooking industry. In fact, there's a term for it called mise en place, which means putting things in their place. And the idea there is that chefs, the last thing they want to do is be scrambling as they're trying to mix a sauce together and realizing, oh shoot, I don't have the milk, I need to get the refrigerator to go get it. It's really about having all of the tools and all the materials lined up in an orderly fashion. We can do this in our day-to-day lives as well. For me, whenever I'm doing something more than 3 times, I really try to stop for a minute and think about, how do I want to lay things out? How do I want to move myself? How do I want to have my tools organized? And how do I want to have my materials set up so I can operate as efficiently as possible? Normally, if it's a fairly simple project, I'll just envision it and do it in my head. But if it's more complicated, I'll actually lay it out. And again, what you're really looking for are spaghetti lines. Am I continually going from one side of the house to the other side of the house, or from one part of my bench to the other bench, and walking back and forth, and oh, my tools aren't in the right order? What you want to do is just streamline things.
Right.
This isn't about excessive efficiency, is about making life easier for you so you're not forgetful and so that things are less frustrating. You can save time and reduce frustration by planning this type of movement before you do your work. And another important thing is make sure to revisit this process as time goes by, because as your process changes, as you learn more, as your tools change, maybe you need to tweak it. So do it once, try it out, and then every so often just revisit it and see about making it better.
Excellent. Hey, if you'd like to learn more tips like this, we invite you to check out our website, thesavvylife.com, where you can download our list of the 5 things that make money stressful and what you can do about them. Again, that's thesavvylife.com. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.